Hey, it's Dr. Raesz with Advanced Chiropractic, and I just wanted to inform you guys today that we do help folks after they've been involved in a car accident. Just so you know that a car accident, even going 5 miles an hour, is enough to sustain spinal injuries, not only to the spine itself, but to the soft tissue around the spine. And so we've helped hundreds, maybe even thousands of patients over the years who have been in these car crashes or car accidents and sustained injuries. It's very important to get checked after you've been in a car accident. So the typical car accident, person may go to the ride an ambulance or may go to the hospital afterwards, and they may or may not do imaging, x-ray or CT scan. And a lot of times what they're looking for are life-threatening conditions. So if they don't see a life-threatening condition, they're gonna release the person, maybe with some muscle relaxers, or tell them to, if they still have problems in the future, to go to their general practitioner. However, a lot of times these car accident victims, they have these injuries that were sustained in the automobile accident, and just because it's not life-threatening doesn't mean that they're not set up for major chronic issues with their spine going forward if they don't receive proper chiropractic care. So whenever a patient comes in after a car crash or car accident, we of course do a real thorough exam. We take x-rays, we even take motion studies of the spine to see if every vertebra in the neck is moving appropriately, because those x-rays can actually show if there was soft tissue damage like ligament or tendon damage, and it allows us to know what we need to do to treat the person so they can hopefully prevent these chronic issues for the rest of their life. Now, here's a couple tips for you guys whenever you're driving. One tip is you actually want your headrest to be taller than your head. So you want to set it to where it's not coming below your head or even with your head, because when you're in a rear impact collision, your mid-back, the seat pushes your mid-back into your back and your head actually raises. So if the seat or the seat rest, the headrest is here and it gets raised up, now your head can actually go back behind and over the headrest, which can cause more neck damage. So you want your headrest just a little bit taller than you, so that as that happens, your head actually goes into the headrest, and the headrest doesn't become a focal point for your head to get whipped back even further. And another thing, research actually shows that whenever you're in a collision, if you see it coming, to actually brace. And whenever you brace, you actually tighten your muscles, and it helps to prevent some of the damage. Another fact is that smaller folks, more petite folks, usually women, because their muscle tone is not as big as a gentleman's, and so actually women and children sometimes can be injured more during an automobile accident. But I urge you that if you, hopefully not, but if you do are involved in a car accident, to come in and get checked. Let us do a real thorough exam and x-rays. Even if the ambulance guys and the ER said that you are okay, I would still urge you to come in and get checked, because there could be underlying soft tissue injuries and spinal injuries that, if it's not taken care of right away, it can lead to major and big problems down the road. So if you have any questions, please email me, let me know. But this is Dr. Jason Raesz with Advanced Chiropractic, and I hope you have a blessed day.